Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the correct account, sufficient energy, and any required story progress unlocked. Once verified, open the event page and prioritize mission claims. This frees up inventory space and grants initial raid tickets. Next, navigate to the raid lobby and inspect ticket options, standard, premium, or bundle. Choose based on your currency and desired drop rates. Make sure to note time windows and any multi-pull discounts, because those affect when to spend your tickets for best value. Once done with initial setup, focus on continuous ticket acquisition. Farm daily missions and repeatable event tasks that explicitly reward raid tickets. Prioritize those that take minimal time for steady gains. Make sure to watch for timed sales or bundle deals. You'll spend fewer gems per ticket during discounts. Also, participate in co-op raids and party events. Many events add ticket rewards or multipliers when you hit group milestones. Finally, budget your currency. Save for discounted bundles unless you need immediate pulls. To finish, plan your final ticket spending during bonus windows to maximize extra drops or increased rarity rates. Use multi-pulls when pity counters or guaranteed tiers are close. After pulls, immediately verify inventory and event reward progress. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and check the mailbox and event logs. This resolves most sync issues. If tickets were deducted without rewards, take screenshots of transactions/history and contact support. Explain steps, include times, and request restoration. One tip: avoid spending during scheduled maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.